This is Daddy and Mommy making my tent. We have to improvise.
This is how we do it in South Africa. It's called a 30-minute tent. 2 trucks. We do like it's an old style tent, but it works. And seeing the Kirsten doesn't want to camp out in the house, but she's scared that I might, toot or something.
Whatever.
It's okay, sweetheart. I know that you snore, but it won't bother me.
I don't snore.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, Kira snores, okay?
Oh, you.
No, I don't.
Whoa.
No, I don't. Okay, well, see, originally, I was gonna sleep in the car. But, considering it's all freaking right over there. You see that car right there? Yeah, that's our car. I think there's another. Oh, there's cars coming. But yeah. And then I'd have to walk all the way across the street. Gotta hide, don't want people to see me. I had to hide.
No, you don't.
I think they're coming to ask us or not.
Get out of the way, Kirsten. Come here.
Right here.
No, stop recording. Yeah, about 10 minutes.
Yeah, go that way. It's really loud.
Okay, now do we still want to take the bottom?
Yeah.
No, what we're going to do now
Or no?
is we are going to tape these sides, right? We're going to tape the sides, and all she's simply going to do is lie on the center there. We could do a maximum, like,
2.
spread out to the ground, and then take them down. Yeah, totally. But max it out as far as you can. But let's do the tape job first.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, well, I'll try and videotape when we're eating dinner. Bye, guys.